There's a lot of different ideas of what shamanism means. And what does it mean to you?
Don't think anybody's ever asked that before. I consider Wanoa pre-flood Egyptian teachings, which are very, very close to the same things. They just have different dressings on them, different names. Actually, sometimes they have the same name. That's a little scary. Kind of speaks to our worldwide culture that was obvious around the world, ancient civilizations and all. But shamanism is where you're connected to nature, all of nature, that you learn the feelings of the signatures of everything that is around you, and you make friends with, that you feel everything is your family. The trees, the plants, the dirt, the rocks, the sky, the water, everything is your family. They're your friends. Shamanism is a lifestyle and a study of expanding consciousness and learning from nature and the spirits. And if you're lucky enough to have tribal elders who really know, then you have a source to learn from besides nature and the spirits and aliens that happen to want to be part of the picture. It's a study of absolute unconditional love and unconditional acceptance of all things. Like I said, it's not a religion. Nothing to do with religion or anything organized. It's a lifestyle. It's a way of living. It's a way of thinking. It's a way of being. As we are in the middle of being alive and living our lives every day, this is a way of being. The way that we have learned how to be in the modern culture, in the muggle bubble, is the opposite. It's upside down and backwards. You got something to add?
Now we go home and contemplate all that. That was beautiful. Thank you for the question. One of the lines that always pop up for me is, at least in our life and work and the teachings, knowing who you are, really are, and who you have been through the ages, and knowing your place amongst the people of the stars. That's what I would add.
Beautiful. Thank you.